Truth be told, beauty is not in the eye of the beholder, or in the hair, or the cheekbones, or the makeup, jewelry, or fashion. Beauty, true beauty, is found in the heart. It's a feeling, a sense of inner satisfaction, and it's there in beauty's translation from inside to out that Restylane feels so right. For true beauty lies within us all. Sometimes it just needs a little help to the surface. The answer to long-lasting wrinkle correction is Restylane, the world market-leading dermal filler. It's injected into the skin to lift and smooth away wrinkles for about 6 months. If you're considering wrinkle correction treatment, there are a few things you should know about Restylane. Restylane was the first dermal filler available in the U.S. composed of Nashagel, a non-animal stabilized hyaluronic acid. Its non-animal origin means there's a limited risk of animal-based disease transmissions or allergic reactions. Restylane is fully biocompatible with the body's own natural hyaluronic acid, and no allergy testing is required. Restylane is a natural cosmetic product injected into the skin to fill in wrinkles. In contrast, Botox Cosmetic is a drug that relaxes muscles causing wrinkles, such as frown lines. Many patients have been very pleased after receiving treatment with both products.
I had the Botox and the Restylane done on the first procedure, and I loved it. I thought it was it made me feel very balanced, because the Restylane was the filler used on my smile lines, or the lines here, and the Botox was used more on the upper forehead and eye area. So I felt like it really balanced me.
A study showed that Restylane and Botox Cosmetic can be used together in a complementary fashion that increases the longevity of both products. Unlike bovine or human-based collagens or rooster-derived hyaluronic acid products, Restylane is free from animal proteins. Bovine collagen is derived from an animal source and requires an allergy test before it can be used. Young skin is smooth and elastic and contains a lot of hyaluronic acid, a natural substance found in all living organisms. Hyaluronic acid binds water to give volume to the skin, shape to the eyes, and a lubricant to joints. However, as the amount of hyaluronic acid in the skin decreases with age, less water is bound, and the less fluid in the skin, the less elasticity. In time, this may create wrinkles.
In business today, the competition is keen wherever you go, and looking younger helps. It might open a door that you might not otherwise get, so you can get an opportunity to get in there and show them what you're really worth.
Restylane has been used in more than 1.5 million treatments in over 60 countries to correct a variety of wrinkles. It is currently FDA approved in the U.S. for the treatment of moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds, such as the lines from your nose to the corners of your mouth.
I was treated for these lines alongside of my nose running out parallel to my cheeks here. And before I was treated, I had a lot deeper folds in this part of my mouth. I also had a couple of treatments on this little area right down here. It looked before like I was a lot sadder than I am now.
Restylane truly is a wash and wear procedure that can be completed in less than an hour. The procedure is simple and convenient, and results are practically instantaneous. You can return to work and normal activities with little or no downtime. There's no allergy testing required, so you can be treated right away. If you're planning to attend a major event, such as a wedding or reunion, we suggest you have your treatment at least 10 days prior to the event. The week before your treatment, you may be asked to avoid certain products that promote swelling and bleeding. Your doctor will give you specific instructions.
When the doctor injected the Restylane, just felt like a little prick, not bad, just a little pinch. But when the Restylane was going in, you could definitely feel some tightness, nothing of discomfort, but you could feel, it almost felt like a piece of string was being pulled through underneath your skin. So it was very different. The sensation was very different, but nothing painful.
For anyone who's worried about pain during the treatment, I would just tell them that the small amount of pain involved in this procedure is well worth the results.
For your comfort during the procedure, there are many options available to numb the treatment area. A topical cream may be used, or a local anesthetic such as lidocaine. In very sensitive patients, your doctor may use an injection to numb the area around the mouth. After your treatment, you might have some redness or swelling. This will normally last less than 7 days. Sunbathing and cold outdoor activities should be avoided until any redness or swelling disappear. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or under 18, you shouldn't use Restylane.
By the time I woke up the next morning, all the swelling had gone, and my face was, I thought, very smooth.
Restylane is administered in a simple, brief procedure lasting only a few minutes. Before treatment, the area is thoroughly cleaned with alcohol or some other appropriate antiseptic. Crystal clear Restylane gel is injected into the skin below a wrinkle with an ultrafine needle. Multiple injections may be required. When the injection is completed, the treated area may be massaged so it blends smoothly with surrounding tissues. The number of syringes required will depend on many factors. The areas to be treated and their depth are important considerations. To give you a better idea of what may be required, look at these patients and see if you can find wrinkles like yours. In each case, you can see how effective one or more syringes were. How long the treatment lasts is very individual. Studies have shown that Restylane effects generally last for about 6 months. Most people choose to have follow-up treatments at 6-month intervals. Visit RestylaneUSA.com for complete product information about Restylane and other cosmetic procedures. You can also sign up for newsletters and special offers like Restylane Rewards, a loyalty program that allows you to earn up to $375 in gift cards. Now that you have the answers to some important questions, why wait? Restylane is safe and natural. The simple procedure can be done without delay and takes less than an hour, and the effects are immediate. If you want to enjoy a smoother, more youthful appearance, ask your physician if Restylane is right for you.
Well, it's amazing the difference Restylane makes in your appearance. It's going to be interesting when it wears off if I'm going to be able to live without it.
Recently, I've been getting acquainted with a gentleman who is a bit older than me, and he expressed concern that he was, quite a bit older and concerned about the age difference. And I said, well, how old do you think I am? And he said, well, between 38 and 40. And I just laughed because he was about 10 years off. I didn't correct him either.
Restylane is brought to you by Medicis Aesthetics, a company dedicated to helping patients attain a healthy and youthful appearance and self-image. Who could be better to bring you the world market-leading dermal restorative product, Restylane?